How to add a promotion on LinkedIn. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So here's how you can easily add a promotion to your existing job without creating a whole new company entry. For that, open up any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar simply search for linkedin.com, and just like so, once you search for it, go ahead and log in to your account. Once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the me icon, and just like so, tap on view profile. Inside here, you want to scroll below and then simply tap on add experience. And now you want to go ahead and find your current job under the company where the promotion happened, and then click on the pencil icon to edit that section. In the pop-up, go ahead and click on add positions and fill out the new title, start date, and any updates, responsibilities, or achievements. Keep the company name the same. This will group it as a promotion rather than a new job. Once everything is done, you want to go ahead and tap on save. And just like that, LinkedIn will stack both positions under one company, clearly showing the promotional timeline. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.